Okay, let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2. And your topic is describe an adventure you would like to go on.
Well, honestly speaking, I love to go or visit different areas in my country. Unfortunately, my country is occupied by different areas, such as hilly areas and deserts as well. So it offers us many things to do unusual or which is full of excitement and thrill. So I love to go in my coming weeks to visit hilly areas. And this time, I want to go with my friend who has recently joined our squad. So he is a very exciting person, and he is eagerly to go with me because I have experienced. So that's why he want to join me. And I decided so many activities to do there. For example, I want to overcome my fears because sometimes I feel nervous when I reach about on a height. So I want to overcome my this fear. So I decided to go hilly areas, and I like to do hitchhiking there. So it makes me more thrilling, exciting.
Okay, thank you so much. You have spoken for 1 minute 30 seconds. Overall, it's good. You're using good vocabulary. Keep it up like this. Brush up your pronunciation a little more and practice these topics so that you become further fluent in them. Now, we move on to speaking part 3. What kind of personality should a person have to be able to take risks?
I think uh, those persons who have to do something unusual and have thrilling and exciting in their traits, so and want to do something extraordinary and full of energy. So such kind of persons like to do or take to risks.
Okay, do adventures expand your horizons?
Obviously, it helps us to expand our horizons because whenever we go outside and see different unusual things and experience difficulties and challenging and try to cope with these kind of challenges. So I think it really helps us to expand our horizons.
Okay, overall it's good. There are minor grammatical mistakes. Try to overcome those. Looking at all these things at present, I'll give you a 6.5, but with a little improvement, you can take it to 7.